PDP Governors Forum held a meeting under my humble leadership at the Akwa Ibom Governors Lodge in Abuja on Wednesday, 17th April 2024. The meeting deliberated on various issues of interest and concern to the forum and the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and issued the following communique. 1. The meeting reviewed recent developments in the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and urged the National Working Committee of the party to set in motion the machinery to conduct credible congresses in all the states while tenures of the party officers have expired. 2. The meeting noted that there are no factions in the PDP and everybody is working together united with all the stakeholders and all the organs of the party. 3. We equally want to use this opportunity to affirm that in Rivers State, the governors will work assiduously towards resolving all issues in the state with a view to uniting all the stakeholders. The PDP governors congratulate the host, our most respected Excellency Governor Umar Basi Eno, for his hospitality in hosting the meeting. Thank you very much. Any question?
Excellency, to resign over allegation of anti-party acts, the leadership of the acting national chairman of the party.
And we are looking forward to doing this within the constitutional provision of the party. So we are not here, this neck that is preceding this meeting, to discuss about change of leadership. We are talking about resolving all issues and going forward, so that at the end of the day, the timelines allowed in the Constitution for congresses and what have you would have been done. But certainly, the public are free to participate, to discuss, and then, of course, NEC will decide on some of these issues.
So, sorry, sir. So, is the government forum in this issue? Because we asked this question because of the two.
Who is NEC? NEC is the PDP Governors Forum and other stakeholders. So, we are just a portion of NEC. We cannot talk on behalf of NEC until we get there. So there is no any faction or division.
Well, if I may ask just this question, I would want to know the position of the PDP government in terms of the agitation of the non-settled zone, who said that they must complete the tenure of the ousted.
Well, NEC will take decision governors. I know the governors normally take the leadership position, but we have an acting person in the acting capacity leading the party. And so NEC will decide whether it is time to take the active, to fill in the vacancy, looking at the legal implication of doing that, knowing that there are so many lingering litigation issues in court. And of course, we don't want to disparage ourselves because we are aware there are some marauders hiding somewhere trying to factionalize our party and take one person to go and do coalition. We are not going to allow that as governors. We are very responsible and we are very credible. We will make sure that we resolve all the issues and unify the party for maximum efficiency and, of course, success in the next election.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.